Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new video. Today we are going to build a high voltage electric shock generator for self-defense. This is a powerful DIY project, so make sure to handle it with care. Now let's begin and see how we can make this step by step. First, let's take a look at main components. The high voltage generator. This is small switch and a charging module. Now we need a 3.7 voltage battery which will provide the necessary energy for our high voltage module. Now watch the process yourself as I build this step by step. And now the device is fully assembled. Let's charge it completely and then we will test its performance. Now that our device is fully charged, let's test it. As you can see, when we activate the circuit, it provides high voltage sparks. That device can be used for self-defense, but it must be handled with extreme caution. I hope you found this project interesting. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next exciting video.